we needed a coffee after the volcano, and we came to this little cafe, and it is right by the boats. The sky is looking pretty cool over here, and it's got these little cool things that we parked in front of. So we're gonna go check it out. On our way to dinner, we passed IKEA, and we just love IKEA. This video is going to be short because I just want to eat, but we got fish and chips from this little shack by the water. So there's where we got our fish and chips from, and we have a pretty nice view for dinner. Let me show you. Just sitting on this little park bench, having some fish and chips. And we parked right there, so it's easy to find parking. And then you can sit at the tables or come and sit on a bench and look at the water. Really cool. The fish and chips were great. The mushy peas were not, but that might just be because I'm American and used to our peas. And they had biodegradable utensils, which was phenomenal. This is the little shack, and a lot of people were taking up those picnic tables, but we were perfectly happy sitting over on the bench by the water. So last time we were here, we went to Blue Lagoon, and this time we're checking out Sky Lagoon. Pretty stoked. We don't have a reservation, but we know that they have open slots. So we're just gonna go in and hope for the best.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. There's Hellgrim Scarecrow over there, the Pearland Museum, and I was gonna get their logo, but it's on the other side of the sign and not this one. In a lot of ways, this is much nicer than Blue Lagoon. It's not like you walk out and there are 1,000 people, but that brisk air is nice.
This is so much nicer than the Blue Lagoon. I understand we've been here for 30 seconds, but it's not as crowded. The people here aren't the same. Some of the people at the Blue Lagoon made me real uncomfortable, especially in our gay hats. And like the aesthetic is better. I don't know. Like it's
The
just
floor feels nice.
I'm like right in a jet stream.
Ooh.
Don't hate it.
Is this the depth of the Blue Lagoon? I don't either.
Yeah, I just don't remember. I want to say it's deeper. I think I was surprised. This is the best idea you have.
Thanks, man. We're at the end of the pool. Can you see?
Yeah,
Ah, there it is. And I dripped a little bit of beer, but it's okay.
This is the best idea my wife has had in the last 4 hours. Was coming here.
It does look really cool. They're done. That guy's still in there. Do you want to just go? Yeah. Alright. Alright, we're about to take the cold plunge. We'll see if we can handle it. Ow! But first I'll hurt my toe. How?
Yeah.
Oh god, it's so cold. I don't think I can do 30 seconds. Oh my god.
You're a champ, man. You missed the step.
Now my bottom half is ready for it.
No.
Here, take this. Here, take this. My legs are falling asleep. Oh my god. Was it good? So basically, I don't know what are. Is it brisk?
It's very brisk.
Just scrubbing some salt scrub on our bodies. And then we go in the steam room, which is step 6. Do we have our bowls back?
You want to take them back?
Yeah, because I don't know what to do. Alright, here we go. The camera's gonna steam up. Oh my god. And the last step is showering a little bit. Shower off all that stuff. I hope you know that I loved him, and he reminded me of Valor.
Well, he reminded me of...
No, don't keep it. Kayaks! Look how cool. That's so rad. Here was my nemesis, but now we go back into the living room. Yeah! Yeah! So cool.
This is good footage.